Now, to start off with our Sonic version of Rodan, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here, and let's just begin by making a line that's just going to come down, and then let's curve it back up here. Next, let's draw a line that's just going to go down, and then we'll curve up for the eye. Next, starting here, we're just going to go down and bring this up and over. Then down here, we're just going to go down and then up here. Right here, let's make a little oval shape, and we'll color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. And then right here, we'll do the same thing. Little oval shape, color in most, leaving just a tiny bit white. Right here, I'm going to bring this line up and down. And then we'll bring a little line down here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to bring this line over to here in a smile. Then I'm going to bring this line over. Next, I'm going to curve this line around. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to come down to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down and over. Then we're going to curve a line up here. Next, let's draw a little line right down here. Now, starting right here, let's bring this line up, and then we're going to bring it back down. We're going to curve this line here. Then we're going to bring this line up and then down. Let's curve a line out and in, and then another one out, and then right down to here. Then right here, let's make a little line down, and then another one right here. Now, starting right here, let's draw a line that's just going to come out. We're going to go down. Then I'm going to bring this line to here, make a point, and then here with a point. And then we're going to bring it up. We're going to draw a little line that's going to curve here and then around. Let's make a line that's going to come up and then down to here. Then we're going to make 1, 2, and then 3 bumps. And we're going to make a little line here. Next, we're just going to connect this to here. And then we'll make a little line out here for the thumb. Right here, I'm going to make a couple little points. And then I'm going to bring this line down. Next, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come out. We're going to go over and then back up. And then we'll just curve this up here. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down and then kind of curve around. We're going to make this line come down. I'm going to bring this line up and around here and then back up to here. Next, let's curve this line down for the bottom of the foot. And then let's make another line down. We'll make 1 and then 2 points here. And we'll do a little line here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around. I'll make another line that's going to curve around. Then right here, let's just curve this line for the top of the shoe. Then we're going to bring this line down, around, and then up to here. We're going to curve this line right across the bottom. We'll make a line here. And then we're going to put a couple little points here. Next, over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. I'm going to bring this down and in, and then down and in for that other kind of wing. We'll do a little curve, and then we're going to do a little line right around here. We're going to make a line that's going to come out like this, and then we're going to go out and then in, out and in, one, and then two more here. Next, right here, I'm going to make a couple little points and then a line that comes back for the tail. Then I'm going to draw a little line here and a little line out here for some detail. Then we'll draw a little line down here and then a little line up to here. Then right here, let's draw a little line that's going to come down and up. And there you go. There is your drawing of Rodan as a Sonic the Hedgehog character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.